Alright, so what's up everyone? In this video we are going to learn how to install MySQL on Mac. Just to mention, I'm using the Monterey version of Mac OS. It doesn't really matter as long as you're using Homebrew. It's one of the best package management systems out there. So let's see how we can install it. Now, the traditional way of installing MySQL would be just go to, MySQL.com website and install. Go to the downloads section and click on MySQL Community Edition, which is down here, and install. And basically, it will be installed inside this section. It usually starts from here. So as a developer, I think it's very important to install whatever it is using just terminal. So if you have Homebrew installed, the easiest way to install MySQL would be just to type brew, install just MySQL, and once it finishes downloading the necessary components of MySQL, it will be installed inside this directory, like this menu. But again, as a developer, it's very important to start and stop the service using the command prompt. Okay, I think it's already installed, so let's now try running the MySQL command. So as you can see, we have this. Here's my username because I had MySQL installed earlier. I've just uninstalled it, but somehow my username just did stick in. So let's see how we can enter MySQL using just my password. It says now that I mistyped the password, so let's try again. So, well, basically this is how we install it. It's just looks like I forgot my password, and what I wanted to show in this video is if you want to install something, do it using Homebrew. It's very easy, it's efficient, and it's much recommended. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.